Hi, welcome to Concepts Hub. Income Tax Department has published notification for the recruitment of Income Tax Inspector, Tax Assistant and Stenographer Grade 2. Let us see when it was published and more details about vacancies. Yes, click on this. Yeah, we got the notification from the website of Income Tax Department. Let me zoom this one. You can say the applications are invited from the meritorious sports person fulfilling the eligibility criteria as per particular mentioned in Annexure 1 for appointment to the post of Income Tax Inspector, Tax Assistant and Stenographer Grade 2 in the Income Tax Department in the region of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. We'll see what is the last date to apply and what are the education qualification and what are the other requirement needed to apply for this post. The willing candidates and eligible candidates can send their application form as per Annexure 2 on or before when 2nd February 2nd February 2021 and 17th February 2021 for candidates who resides in the northeastern states, Andaman Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, and Jammu and Kashmir. So you need to send the application form to whom? Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, okay, at Dak of the Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax, Aikar Bhavan, 48 Area Hills, Hoshangabad Road, Bhopal, and the pin code is 462011. So we'll see more related procedure. So the detailed eligibility criteria or qualification other relevant requirement along with the procedure for submission of the application and Annexure 1 can be downloaded from the income tax website and you can send it. So this is the number of posts. Income tax inspector number of post is 1 and it is for OBC. You will be paid 7 as per 7th pay commission, that is you will paid basic pay of 44,900. Tax assistant, the total number of vacancies is 6 and out of 6 3 are for unreserved and 3 are for OBC. Basic pay, okay, for this tax assistant is 25,500 and along with this you will have other benefits also. Stenographer grade 2, the total number of vacancies is 1 and it is allotted to SC category and the basic pay is 25,500. These posts are temporary. Note this point. These posts are temporary but likely to be permanent. The provision period is 2 years. So we'll see the age limit. For Inspector of Income Tax, the age limit is 18 years to 30 years. And for Tax Assistant and Stenographer, 18 years to 27 years. Now we'll see the age relaxation. 5 years for general or OBC candidate and 10 years in case of SC/STs as per Government of India instruction for meritorious sports person. And the cutoff date, okay, is as per 2nd February 2021. For the post of income tax inspector, graduation, that is degree from recognized university, is required to apply for the post of income tax inspector. And for tax assistant, degree from recognized university. Along with this you need to have a data entry speed of 8,000 key depressions per hour. For stenographer you need to have 12th class or its equivalent, and along with this you need to have a dictation that is 10 minutes for 80 words per minute and transcription 50 words per minute in English and 65 words per minute in Hindi. That too you need to type in computer. If you had played for international, then the awarding certificate should be by Secretary of the National Federation of the game concerned, or if you played at national level, then Secretary of the National Federation or the Secretary of the State Association of the game concerned. If you played for inter-university tournament, then Dean of Sport or other officer in overall charge of sports of the university. If you played for national sports games for school, then Director of Additional or Joint or Deputy Director in overall charge of sports or game for school in the Directorate of Public Instruction or Education of the school. Or if you prefer physical efficiency drive, then secretary or other officer in overall charge of the physical efficiency in the Ministry of Education and Social Welfare, Government of India. So your selection will be purely based on your qualification and the sports you played for. So all the students, okay, who are qualified will be shortlisted. The shortlisted candidates will be required to appear for the interview or verification of documents. If required, the players may be required to undergo ground or proficiency test. So, as we know, these posts are meant for only sport person. They need to have all the required documents in which they have performed. So, these are the list for sports: athletics, badminton, shooting, squash, swimming, table tennis. So, as I said, to whom you need to apply. So, while applying it, make sure that you give correct information. I'll show you the document you can download. Yeah, this is the document. Okay, you can download for post for which you are applying, whether you are applying for income tax inspector, tax assistant, or stenographer grade 2. Just have your recent passport photo and sign it. Here you just submit your signature, and for this you need to have a gazetted attached, and this is a form where you need to fill. Okay, fill it in capitals, don't forget it. So better take out 2 or 3 printout so that you don't make any mistakes. If you make mistakes, okay, just correct in the next form. So just give all your details like name, father name, permanent address, communication address, date of birth, age, whether you belong to which category, educational qualification, and sports for which you applied. Okay, and if you have any best performance record, okay, just submit the documents related to this. If you have played at international level, okay, all those details you can submit here. Give your mobile number, and see, while giving mobile number, make sure that check it twice or thrice, and email ID, because they will be communicating with email ID or phone number. Here where you need to sign that all the details you gave are correct to your knowledge. So signature and submit to the above mentioned address. Thank you. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to Concepts Hub.